Welcome back, my friends. I've got the final unboxings actually, for the 21K collection. Hope you will continue to watch and see what additional goodies I picked up. This first unboxing was actually something I really wasn't expecting to get. I had already ordered the pouch with Shop with Crystals when I received a message from one of my essays, and she said, hey, I was able to locate this for you. Do you want it? And the other one was already coming, but I decided, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and take it, just because, in my opinion, you can never have too many pouches, and the fact that some people have said the iridescent does over time tend to scrape. I thought, maybe not a bad idea to have a backup. So let's go ahead and see what she sent me. I have to admit, I was pleasantly surprised, and you will soon see why. As you can see, I already deconstructed it, took off the camellia and the ribbon. And this is the latest 21K. This is another Ocasin pouch. And yes, I do have another one that I got, as I said, from Shop with Crystals. But as you will see in a moment, here is where they differ. This one is a lot larger. This isn't the really big one, the one that's more like portfolio size where you can put papers, but this is definitely a much larger size than the one that I originally purchased with Shop with Crystals. The color gradient is similar. There's a little bit more of the lavender into that lilac-y blue, and then the yellowy green in the front. They both have the rainbow hardware, and on the back, this smaller one tends more towards the yellow green. This one has more of a even distribution of the lavender lilac and the yellowy green. So I was pleasantly surprised. Two different sizes, but still equally as beautiful. As you can see, we'll open it up. Has the authenticity card, and here is the info on the case, and it's called a classic small pouch from the 21K collection. And this one is cool because, as you can see, it has the pocket, and then it has slip pockets for cards, which makes it really convenient. And then the certificate number is underneath this little piece of leather flap, which is pretty cool. This particular piece was made in Italy. Now, this piece I received fairly quickly. I got a text message while I was actually driving out of town on a trip, and I was super excited when I got the message from my essay that this piece had come in. I had been on the reserve list for it, and she's like, should I send it? And I'm like, absolutely, please. And I appreciate how they package it. We've had so much rain lately that making sure that these things are wrapped in some kind of plastic just to protect it is greatly appreciated. Let me get it out. Okay. All right. So this is a true unboxing. Here is my receipt. Let's take off. Oh, good. Easy to remove. Just stick that on there. And I hate removing the ribbons. They're always so nicely wrapped, but too excited. Okay. There we go. To reveal Ooh, this came in, wow, I'm excited. I didn't realize she was going to send it in a classic flap bag. Whew. And you'll see why in a moment, but still super excited to reveal my brand new mini in the multicolored calfskin, and this is iridescent. It does sparkle. I don't know if you can tell with my lights. And this is the multicolored. This is a classic mini, and oh, beautiful purple with a Mona Lisa pocket back here. And then on the bottom, it's white. Now this said this was perforated when you look in the descriptions, but I don't quite understand why it's perforated, unless it's referring to the sparkle. I don't know. But a lot of purple into the kind of the light blue, and then the white here. And this is silver hardware, which I love. And here's the felt. And as you can see, again, just that gorgeous light blue into white. The stuffing does have the little chip plaque, a slip pocket, and then the zippered pocket here. And this particular piece, I don't know if you can tell, let me see if I can bring this up closer. It was made in France, and this is gorgeous. Whoops, this is coming off. Let's go ahead. Boop. There we go. Oh my God, beautiful shiny hardware. This is actually a colorway I have not seen many people unbox, and I don't know if it's just there weren't too many made. People who are purchasing are not YouTubers, but I am super excited to add this in my collection. I think this is going to be a great pop to my wardrobe even now in the fall. And I love see how the stitching, I don't know if you can tell that the stitching is like a light blue stitching. And it's really, it really works even with the, as the transitions into purple, or maybe this is a purple. Can you tell? This looks like it's purple stitching here. It's blue stitching here. This may be such a, the blue may be so close to the purple that I can't really tell with the naked eye, but it's clear here in the white that it is a blue stitching. And when you look on the light blue, it's also. And here is still wrapped, and the chain, as you can see, go ahead and unwrap that. So as you can see, the leather strap, the leather on this strap is all blue, which is really pretty. Whoops, that I guess is where it, and then the single on each side. So this is my brand new mini in this gorgeous tie-dye ombre frozen colorway that was featured in the Chanel app and the Chanel ads, but though I have seen the mediums coming up in the stores, I haven't seen it very often on IG or even on YouTube and unboxings. So I'm super excited to add this to my collection. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, please consider giving me my video a thumbs up and hitting that subscribe button, as well as the bell for notifications on all my future videos. This is my final 21K unboxing. I don't anticipate any new pieces to come into my collection for 21K, but I hope you've enjoyed this journey with me, and I will at some point have a video featuring all of my 21K editions if that is something that y'all would like to see. Have a wonderful week, and I'll see you soon. Bye.